Another tip with your GKIS Co workstations is make sure that it's set up for body healthy ergonomics. Also, set up creativity kits nearby to complement screen activities and encourage multimodal learning. So what that means is if kids are little, put dress-up clothes or play sets like kitchens or castles or TV studios next to the screens. That way, when they come across content on the screen, it may lead them to play with the things next to them, an imaginative play. For older kids, set up things like stuff to sketch or paint or write a screenplay or map. Older kids can come across an image online and it might motivate them to take the activity offline and complement. Another thing in regard to co-workstations is you want to download an app or provide a simple kitchen timer. That way when you tell your kids you have 5 minutes, you have 10 more minutes, it gives them a chance to start to track. And also you want to encourage body healthy rest and stretch breaks to avoid repetitive task injuries.